Hi everyone, it's so funny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I did my go-to summer makeup look. It's very easy and achievable. For my brows, I am using a spoolie brush to brush my brows in the direction where the hair grew, and I'm gonna be using the ELF Espresso Brow Pomade. To clean up the brows, I am using the BBFS base. I think this is in number 05. I don't know. I'll just put everything in the description box below with a link to purchase if y'all want anything. I am using the same BBFS base on my eyelids, then blend in with a concealer brush. Then setting it with the Black Radiance Loose Powder. I am using the ELF eyeliner in jet black for my wing, then use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my Right now it's summer. I have dry skin and oily skin. Um, I want my makeup to last the whole day. I am using BLF primer for a smoother skin. Then I am using the Black Radiance Liquid Highlighter in Gold Dust. Today I was going for a dewy look, but I made a little mistake because I am in a rush. I had to be somewhere in 30 minutes. I didn't have enough time to look for the right foundation for this look, so yeah, I am going in with my favorite JUVIA'S foundation in BURKINA. So here's the mistake I made. This foundation is full coverage and matte, so I wanted the highlight I just applied to show underneath the foundation. I wanted it to look like it's my natural skin glow. But what this foundation does is cover up everything. As you can see, I didn't get to see the glow at all. So if you want a glowy dewy look, don't make the same mistake. Use a foundation that is not full coverage and matte. I am using the Beauty Bakerie concealer in number 008 to highlight, then blend in with the Real Technique 200 Expert brush. To set that concealer, I'm using the Black Radiance Loose Powder. I am contouring with the Black Radiance Medium to Dark Contour Palette. To set the rest of my face, I am using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. For blush, y'all already know this is my favorite blush, the JUVIA'S Place 7-2 eyeshadow palette, then pick the orange shade. This is the white pillowy base. I don't remember the name. I just leave it in the description box. I am adding these little dots because I don't want these small pimples to show. So yeah. I can't remember the name for these two lipsticks, but I bought them from Amazon. I'll just leave the link in the description box if y'all want it. I overline my lips, guys. I mean, I think it's kind of cute. What do y'all think? Let me know if you like the lips in the comments. To finish up, I'm spraying my face with the Black Radiance Setting Spray. Okay, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.